Hello and welcome. Today we will show you how to install new Perun Moto KTM 390 AuxPox supports. This is not a standalone product, so it is designed to work only with our luggage rack for this bike. First, you will undo these M8 bolts. Make sure not to lose this spacer. Also, there is an OEM bushing here. Make sure not to lose it and leave it in place. Or even better, install it later, but don't lose it. Same goes for this. There is a spacer, don't lose it. Undo these M6 bolts. Okay, now we're ready to install the plates. First there is this spacer plate, and then there is the plate for the AuxPox. Be careful, the left and right hand side are not the same, so make sure that Perun Moto logo is turned up like this. This spacer plate goes here, and then the plate goes over it. So we'll do this first. Take the bolt you received with the plates, like this, and place it here. Now make sure to place the OEM bushing in place and Perun Moto spacer over it, like this. We don't need that, so just start the threads. Do not tighten fully yet, and take longer M6 bolt you got with the plates here and reuse the washer and nut. First tighten this. Since this is safety washer, you don't need to tighten real hard, and then retighten these. So now the plate is installed. We'll repeat the process on the other side. And that's it. Now the plates are installed and we can place the AuxPox on the plates. So now we'll show how to install the Mosko Moto AuxPox on our new AuxPox plates. Installation is simple bolt-on procedure, although it requires some time and effort. You will use, for each side, 4 M6x20 button head bolts and one longer one. This is M6x30 button head bolt. Also, you will use these washers on the inside of the bag, and you will use small washers and safety nuts on the other side. So let's begin. First, you will pull this strap through the slot here and engage it. Then take one large washer and one bolt and start bolting the bags. You will see there is actually three holes and one slot here. These bolt holes, furthest ones are for the AuxPox 5 liters. So we'll just start this, use safety nut and the washer. Of course, just start the thread, do not fully tighten this. And you will repeat this for next three holes on the perimeter of the bags. Longer bolt will go to the center. There is a hole on the AuxPox and it is used to engage the bolt like this. And the longest bolt will go in the center. It will go all the way through the plates. Now all we need to do is to tighten everything. Since safety nuts are used, there is no need to over tighten. Just use some common sense here. You should see a bolt protruding the nut a bit, and that's enough. Of course, we'll do the same on the other side. Now you have a very solid place on your bike to store something. We have Mosko Moto fatty tool roll in this dry bag, and it's very easy to place it inside. So just slide it into the pocket all the way in. Close the roll top. And don't forget to secure it with this strap. So, like this. This is very secure. Although we do not recommend, it is possible to hold the bike for this plate because the connection is very strong and secure. Also, this should act very well in case of a fall, nothing to break and nothing to bend. Thanks for watching, and make sure to let us know how this setup works for you.